Do you know the difference?
チャンネル登録してね。
Let's start with the first one. Do you know what this means? This means water. Hint, when you squeeze a river, you get water. Now let's squeeze the readings out of it.
水、水。
The next two kanji look similar. They both have a short stroke. Do you know what this one means? As you would expect, it deals with water, or a kind of state of water. That's right, this is ice.
氷、火、凍る、氷。
Water drips from the icicle. Do you know what this means? As you would expect, wait a second. What does this have to do with water? It means eternity or long. Originally, this represented a long river with many tributaries. So it kind of deals with water in an abstract sense. How to distinguish between these two kanji? Ice is dripping from the side. Eternity has a dotted I. This represents infinity and beyond.
長い、A。
Here's our last lookalike. What is it? Hint, despite having eternity as a part of it, this one really does deal with water. It means swimming.
泳ぐ、A。
It has two water elements. I guess the ancient Chinese really wanted you to know that you were swimming in water and not money. Now, can you tell these apart? Let's take a short test. Swim. Eternity. Water. Ice. Great job! Remember, water is a river squeezed. Ice is an icicle dripping water. Eternity is a dotted I for infinity and beyond. And swim is double the water. Until next time.